everyone, this is Vidya. Welcome back to Vidya's Botany World. So this video represents you how the insulin plant plays a crucial role in reducing the blood glucose levels. So nowadays the majority of people were suffering with diabetes. India represents the world's second largest diabetes population after China. This is said to increase to over 100 million by 2030. So first of all, we have to know that what is diabetes. So diabetes is a chronic disease, that means everlasting or unending disease that occurs either when the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin or when the body cannot effectively use the insulin it produces. So usually insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar. When someone has diabetes, their body can't maintain healthy levels of glucose in the blood. Glucose is nothing but a form of sugar which is the main source of energy of our bodies. There are three main types of diabetes: type 1, type 2 and gestational diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is usually diagnosed in children and young adults. Only 10% of people have this form of the disease. In type 1 diabetes, the body doesn't produce enough insulin. When coming to the type 2 diabetes, the body doesn't produce enough insulin for proper function, or the cells usually do not react to insulin. And finally, gestational diabetes. This type affects females during pregnancy. So here we'll see how an insulin plant naturally cures the diabetes. So this is an insulin plant. Its scientific name is Costus igneus, a medicinal plant which is a magic cure for diabetes. The leaves of this plant are usually simple, alternate, entire, evergreen and 4 to 8 inches in length. It can grow in either full sun or partial shade. It is a traditionally used medicinal plant and a common number of ornamental plants in South Indian gardens. It is now accepted and widely used as an Ayurvedic medicinal herb. Consumption of the leaves of this plant can lower blood glucose levels. In Ayurvedic treatment, diabetes patients are advised to chew down the insulin plant leaves for a month. The patient has to take 2 leaves per day in the morning and evening for 1 week, and then after 1 week, the patient should take 1 leaf each in the morning and also in the evening. So the dosage should be continued for 30 days. So they usually see a control level of sugars in their blood. Allopathic doctors too recommends this insulin plant, and it is found to be effective in bringing blood sugar levels under completely control. Leaves are the important part which produces significant anti-diabetic activity. Along with the anti-diabetic activity, insulin plant also reduces the diabetic associated complications. The plant extract is non-toxic. The side effects that a person might experience depend on the type of insulin they are taking. So common side effects when consumption of these leaves include initial weight gain as the cell starts to take in glucose, and also the blood sugar that drops too low or hypoglycemia. So this is about insulin plant, and thank you for your kind attention.